How to remove red wine from your carpet. Things you will need: dish soap, white vinegar, a bowl of hot water, a towel, and a spoon. To make the solution, get a bowl of hot water and add 1 tablespoon of dish soap and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Make sure to stir until combined. Thoroughly cover the wine stain with the solution. Gently blot with the towel and repeat until the stain is gone. Repeat the process as needed until the stain is removed. If needed to remove excess solution, you may use a sponge to absorb. Or you may use a spoon to gently remove the excess mixture from the surface. For best results, allow the rug to air dry, and you are done.